Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data shown on the screen over here. So this is the sample data which I have built to create the cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. First we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about our code, and we will be seeing what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our macro button in which I have assigned the sub-procedure to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output is going to look after writing few lines of code. And trust me, this is the easiest chart which we can create with the easiest lines of code. And let's dive into our VB editor and let's see what our codes has to be written to create this type of chart. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VB editor, and this is the sub procedure to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. And this will be the entire code which we are going to see and understand what are these codes and how we can use this to create this amazing chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get started. The first line of code which says range e5.select, this line of code says that we have to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell inside it. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to write another line of code below that, which is activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some of the parameters which will help us to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. Now let's see what are these parameters are. The first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. Always we are going to give a chart value as a parameter first. After that, by separating the comma, we are going to give what type of chart we are trying to build. So in this video we are trying to build a Excel cone bar stacked 100 chart. So in VBA Excel we are going to give this as the chart type. So we are trying to build a cone bar stacked 100 chart. So we have to type Excel cone bar stacked 100 in the parameter. After that, we are going to give the top, left and width parameter to size and position our chart. After that, we are going to close the bracket, and outside the brackets we are going to give dot select. Once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created and selected. But wait, it will just create a chart which is not, it will create a chart and select it which is not presentable. So to make the chart more presentable, what we are going to do is we are going to use this block of width code so that we can make our chart exactly like this to make it more presentable. So let's see what are these lines of code and what is this width block which is going to use and which is going to help us to make it more presentable. So after creating and selecting the chart over here, we are going to type with active chart. So once you have first created and selected the chart, it becomes your active chart. After that, we are going to use with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. So this line of code ensures that or informs the VB editor that we have the chart title inside a chart. After that, to set the chart title, so we are going to type in the next line dot chart title dot text equals to, and the name of our chart title in the double inverted comma. Now remember, for this video I have kept the chart title as cone bar stacked 100 chart in VB Excel. You can change this as per your data and your preferences. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type, or we are going to set some elements inside our chart to make it more presentable. Now, once you have set your chart title, now we are going to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every data has labeled inside the chart. So to do that, we are going to type in the next line dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. Once you have written this line of code, your data labels will be appearing inside your chart, and it will label each and every data point. After that, what we are going to do is, in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines none. So this line of code will help us to delete or remove the grid lines inside our chart. After that, what we are going to do is, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table, as you can see over here, the data table with the legend keys has been created. So to create this line or create this table inside your chart, we require this line of code, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data table with legend keys. After that, as you can see that we have assigned, or we have shown all the data labels inside our chart. So to make it more presentable, we are going to remove the value axis from the chart, or you can say we are going to delete the value axis, because we have already shown the data labels and the table over here, so we don't require the value axis anymore. So to remove the value axis, we are going to type dot axis, and inside the bracket we are going to type Excel value. Outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. So what this line of code will do is, this will delete the value axis from our chart. After that, we are going to type end with to close the with statement, as we have started over here. Now if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. And as you can see that initially at the start of this video, we have selected our chart after creating it. So now to deselect our chart, we are going to type range and then empty cell inside our worksheet, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. So this line of code will deselect your chart after creating, or after creating and implementing or setting all the chart elements and parameters. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a cone bar stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Be Pure Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from Be Pure Coder. Bye.